Hello friends, welcome to Swapna's Cooking World. Today we are making yummy prawn fry. In the prawns, 250 grams. Ginger garlic paste. Salt as required. Kashmiri chili. Turmeric powder. Pepper powder. Lemon juice. Mix well and keep it for 30 minutes. Oil, fry the prawns in medium-low heat for 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Don't over fry. Keep the fried prawns aside. In the remaining oil, add 1 finely chopped onion. Add a little bit of salt. After the onion turns into transparent, add 1 chopped tomato. Green chili, Kashmiri chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder. Garam masala, add the fried prawns, add some water, cover with a lid and cook for 2 to 3 minutes until oil separates. yummy prawn roast is ready to serve. If you like my video, please subscribe, share and comment. See you in my next video. Bye.